Welcome to this video in which we will be making the first part of universal coupling. So let's get started. Select part and click OK. Front plane sketch, go to sketch and then select rectangle. Make a rectangle like this, go to smart dimension. Make this dimension as 170 mm and then this dimension as 90 mm. Now select extruded boss command. We will make it 30. OK. Now select this face, sketch, and then make two circles. Make inner circle again. Make inner circle dimension as 50 mm. Extrude it boss and extrude it up to 56 mm. Click OK. Now it's time to make a keyway. Select this rectangle and make a rectangle like this. Go to smart dimension and then select these two lines and make dimension as 10 mm. And select this line and make dimension as 15 mm. OK. Now select Extruded Cut command and cut it up to 56 millimeter. OK. Now select this surface, sketch, and then make a circle like this. It should be at the center. Select smart dimension and 76 mm circle. Now select line command, select this corner and then select this circle. Similarly, make a line command, select this corner, select this circle. Now press the control button on the keyboard, select this line, select this circle and make relation tangent. OK. Similarly, select this line, press the control button on the keyboard and then select this circle and make relation tangent. OK. Now select trim entities command and trim this inner circle. Now it's time to make a inner circle. Smart dimension and make inner diameter as 30 mm. Okay, now it's time to select the extruded boss command. This direction should be downward. To make it downward, select this option and then extrude it up to 30 mm. Select OK. Okay, so this error is because we didn't complete a sketch. Let me show you. Go to sketch, select this line command and make sure to make this line. Now the sketch is completed. Now extrude it up to 30 mm. Make sure to make this direction downward like this. Select OK. Okay. Now it's time to mirror. Select mirror command. Expand this bar, select top plane and features to mirror, select this extruded boss. Click OK. Make sure to save this file as fork because we will be using it in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.